firstly, I'm really happy today to start this partnership off with Percept, with Shalinder. I mean, they have proved themselves with Sunburn. Okay, they've had a credible festival. They've brought amazing talents to India. They're going to expand in the right way. And thank you for acknowledging, I mean, what we did at LAP and, you know, with Formula One and all of that and the opportunities that we got to do it. But I think that's what the whole idea of Lost really is to create entertainment that goes beyond, you know, beyond, even though I'm from the movie industry, but I don't think that should be the only source of entertainment for everybody.
The whole world actually watches India, Goa and its people and our culture, our energy. So Lost is also going to be live, which will be quite exciting and interesting.
जो लॉस्ट जो फेस्टिवल है जिसके बारे में हमने सोचा है, एक ट्रैवलिंग फेस्टिवल होनी चाहिए. उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि सेटिंग सेम होगा या टैलेंट भी सेम होगा, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि पहला फेस्टिवल होगा ये वेस्ट बेल्ट में हो, जैसे कि पूना में. ओके, वो वहाँ से तो ताकि लोग अगर गोवा से आना चाहें या फिर मुंबई से आना चाहें या फिर नासिक से आना चाहें या अहमदनगर से आना चाहें, तो वो एक सेंट्रल पॉइंट हो जाता है फॉर दिस रीजन. ओके, तो पहली वाली हम यहाँ करना चाहेंगे. दूसरी विल टेक इट मोर टू द नॉर्थ साइड. तो वो कहाँ करेंगे वो अब तक पता नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे शायद में बड़े शहर में नहीं होगा. विल गो मोर टुवर्ड्स द इंटीरियर, वहाँ पर करेंगे. द थर्ड फेस्टिवल होगा विल गो साउथ में लेके जाएंगे, यू नो. तो शायद बैंगलोर के थोड़े बाहर कहीं पर वी विल कीप अ फेस्टिवल लाइक दैट. तो सो दैट एवरीबडी कैन एक्सपीरियंस इट, कि पूरी इंडिया एक्सपीरियंस कर सकती है. और मनोरंजन भी हम ला सकते हैं उनके लिए, क्योंकि वो सेम फेस्टिवल नहीं होगा, जैसे कि सेम टैलेंट नहीं होगा, तो और लोग को और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है अलग अलग टैलेंट के साथ, यू नो, को देखने का, टू सी ऑल ऑफ दैट. I think when you get lost is when you want something new, when you're bored. I think when you're bored, you're lost, you know. And to come out of that boredom, okay, to come out and find yourself and be able to smile and enjoy life again is finding a new beginning, finding a new you know. I think so you have to get lost to find yourself. No, you will be surprised as to how much talent there is in India. And it is really, really sad that they do not get opportunities. Why? Because everybody is really focused towards the film industry or towards cricket. You know, they from entertainment, all the पूरी जो मदद होती है, कोशिश होती है, पैसा होता है, everything goes into that. Okay, so you will find, I'm sure you will find, and it is not only कि India में, around India, you know, there is so much talent in our region, you know. So if it are, I think, bands from Pakistan, okay, who are wonderful. Okay, if it is maybe a band from Sri Lanka, that is wonderful. So even you getting your neighboring countries to come and participate, I think that's what one wants to do, because कहीं ना घूम फिर के all our cultures are very, very similar. You know, we border them, and it's a nice way of getting to know each other. It's a nice way of creating bonds, you know. And I think music is what everybody does. It creates peace, harmony, and brings people together. So we must promote it. Because I'm going to go and get lost in Madhya Pradesh soon, and that's to shoot for Prakash's film. I would love to open a lab in Mumbai. I do want to. I think Mumbai deserves a lab, needs a lab, okay? And I would love Mumbai to have a lab. Well, you know, I mean, I'm really happy. Prakash Jha is one of my favorite directors, okay, if not the most favorite. It's a beautiful script, Chakravyuh. It deals with issues that are very, very relevant to today, you know, which is the whole Naxal movement that is happening within this country. And so, yes, it is a very debatable, strong subject, powerful subject with issues which I think, you know, people should know, and which will be dealt with through the film. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है एक्शन फिल्म करने में ही नहीं, सिर्फ देखने में भी. तो जब मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं एक्शन करने की, और अगर एक अच्छी एक्शन फिल्म बन सकती है अच्छे एक्शन डायरेक्टर्स के साथ, अच्छे स्टंट्स के साथ, तो मज़ा ही आता है.